Hello friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to turn on or enable live caption in Google Chrome. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also want enable live caption in Google Chrome, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, open your Google Chrome. Then click on three dot top right side corner, click on settings. Under setting, click on accessibility. Now you can see here live caption. Automatically creates caption for English, audio and video. Audio and caption never leave your device. If you disable this option, you should enable this option. That's it guys. So in this you enable live caption in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.